time we standing. Last time we Sonal they were putting chair. Sometime we may sit. We get time. Okay, so tell me
This week, ready?
Come on, guys.
Yes. Go. Behind. Very good, Ishan.
Got the ball.
Good, go. Go, Jaswik.
Go carry. Carry the ball and play.
Jaswik, don't leave. Yes, finish. Good goal, Jaswik. Man to man, man to man, man to man.
Yard time. Nobody play, guys.
Man to man, man to man.
Come on,
man
take
to
the
man.
ball. Take the ball.
Ishan,
Hey,
be ready.
hey.
Not now. Now. Sam, be ready. Sam, be ready. Sam, be ready. Sam, be ready. Yes, Sam.
Good goal.
Sam, be ready. Okay.
Okay, hey. Yes now.
Ruth, I already asked you to do.
Hey, Jacob, close the poda.
Press the ball.
Close the poda. Innu konja po. Right loud. Right loud, Jacob. Right there.
Jesse number nana.
Honda. 18.
Don't give them time, Ruth.
On Jesse for Jesse number 18. 8.
Go, Jaswik. Ball here. Okay, no ball. Man to man. Press them. Man to man.
Take the shot. Neerav.
Man to man.
Line.
Jaswik, now. It's okay, Ruth. Sam, no ball in here.
Hey. Hold it inside.
Be ready. You got it. Go, Ruth. Finish, Ruth. Finish. Ruth, finish it from there only. No problem. Control. Patience. Good ball. No problem. Very good, Sam. Good save.
Got the ball both.
That's this week.
Hey, mark him down.
Don't try to play center. Man to man. Jaswik.
Jacob, முன்னாடி போடு. முன்னாடி ஆடு.
Sam, be ready. Go. Very good.
Take corner.
Okay, corner. Man to man.
Hey, Jacob, movement பண்றா.
Ishan, man to man. Very good, Ishan.
Goalkeeper மேல முன்னாடி போ.
Please. Take your time. Patience. Look for Jaswik. Take your time. Good.
You got the ball. Come.
Go, Jaswik. Don't leave him.
Easy.
Okay, man to man marking. Ishan. Yes. Jaswik, stay there. Stay there. Block him. Jaswik, block this way.
Neeraj.
Jaswik, block this way. Come here. Go close to him.
Take it.
Yes. Block that. Don't give time. Go.
Neerav. Finish Neerav.
Very good, Kishmi.
Take corner.
Goal kick.
Okay, come back. Neerav, come back and mark your man.
Jaswik, go.
Finish, look at your man.
Take your time. Go closer. Align. Very good, Sam. Jaswik, help him.
Go Jacob. Point it.
Play. Jaswik. Be ready. Jaswik, stay on close. Jaswik. Be ready. Okay, man to man.
Hey, ulla pada Jacob. Come inside Jacob.
Stay there, Ishan. Ishan.
Hey, corner ready.
Stay with them.
Jacob,
Go.
Jacob. Goalkeeper முன்னாடி ஓடு.
Ruth. That ball is yours.
Triple in.
Take it, Ishan. Control, Kishmi. Yes. Don't leave. Don't give time.
Good goal.
Kishmi, don't give him time. Press him.
Number 9.
Jaswik. Press
Press
him.
now, Neeraj. Press.
Go.
Don't move the. Hey, pass the ball down.
Ishan, be active, Ishan.
Hey, look up here. Neerav,
Ruth on the frame.
run.
Go,
Come Jacob.
Go.
Your ball. Your ball. Easy, our ball.
What are you doing?
Take shot.
Very good, Jaswik. Go. Finish. Good goal. Good. Play man to man. Good. Play man to man.
Come, our ball.
Don't give up easy. Ruth, go up. Immediately go up. Once the charge up, immediately Sam, be ready. Go, Ruth. Yes, go. Ruth, go press him.
Mark again. Mark your man.
Yes, Sam, come up. Yes. Good throw, Sam. Okay, no
Take the ball,
problem.
Anish.
Okay, man to man. Jaswik, man to man. Don't let them take shot. Kishmi, man to man.
Hey, little more friend.
Kishmi, go closer. Ruth, stay with him.
Neerav.
Yes.
All get
Mark
on
that. Mark that, Kishmi. Sam, use your hands. Take your time. Patience.
Come back. Mark your man.
Come up.
Neerav, और man mark करने.
Yeah, good.
Hey, Janik.
Good. Go, Ruth. Don't leave him, Ruth. Jaswik, mark.
Dribble बनाओ ना.
Mark him. Don't leave.
Vinay,
Don't leave.
Vinay,
Very good.
Vinay,
Position.
pass
Position.
it.
Go. Position. Shoot. Position. Go.
What is
Position.
What is?
Very good. Don't leave. Don't leave the swing. Don't leave. Half ball.
Take ball.
Half ball.
Take ball.
Half ball.
And Anish. Neeraj. Neeraj ball.
Sam. Oh, hey. Speed. Ruth. Go, Ruth.
Anila, Neeraj.
Go. Don't give him time.
Hey, don't play back, man.
Nishan, man to man. Speed. Why is that happening? Very good.
Take corner. Take corner. Anish, you lazy man down, Anish.
Go. Don't give him time, Ruth. Very good, Ruth. Nice press. Oi. Nice. Oi.
You will join the team. Don't mark the man. Mark the man.
Pulling the jersey, Ralph.
Mark the man. Hey, Anish. Anish.
Finish. Play back. Play back to Malina. No problem. Be ready. Speak. Man. If we stay with one player, I don't want to see staying idle. Ruth, surprise. Ruth, surprise and shield him. Ruth, surprise and shield him, Ruth. Shield him. Go, give finish. Speed.
Good goal.
Speed.
Number 9.
Hey, come here.
Number 9 ball. Which color? Number 9. Blue.
Don't let them do that.
Number 9.
Ruth side.
Go close.
Number 9. Another.
Sam, be ready.
Another goal. Just no. Third goal. Fourth
Good
goal.
goal.
19.
Play soft. You want to do that, you play soft. If you play so hard, how will you get it?
Again, go close. Go close. Go close. Go close.
Very good shot. Play. Get a pass. Sean.
Go. Take it, go.
Good ball. Very good shot.
Take corner.
Man to man, Nishan. See that, Nishan. Go the flick. Pass Ruth. Pass Ruth. Make it action. Go, Nishan.
Take the corner. Take shot, Neeraj.
Play with the man. Play with the players.
Hey, Jacob.
Ruth. Very good shot. Use it.
Adi. Finish.
Yes. Go, Nishan. Go. Yes.
Go, Jacob.
Go, don't need to see.
Good goal.
19.
Yes, one. Press.
Play, Sam. No problem. Play. Just pass it. That's quick. Just pass.
Play. No need water and all. Press.
That's quick.
Good draw. Neeraj.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
Okay,
ದೊಡ್ಡ
no problem. Play. Come up.
Hey, come back, Neeraj. Come back.
27 ತನಕ
Throw it.
Run, Neeraj. Little ball.
Make a run. Ruth, make a run. Go, Ruth, go. Finish.
One more.
One more time, Ruth. Very good.
Go press and play, Neeraj.
Good ball.
Come down.
Don't leave Ruth. Very good, Ruth. Nice, Ruth. No problem. Good work. Keep them in pressure. Stay with the Nishan. Very good.
Hey, center, Jacob will come in center. Put it inside.
Very good, Ruth. Stay again there only. That's quick, man to man. Just stay with him. Stay with the Nishan.
Anyway, she's not a goalkeeper. Then you are not there, I used to say.
Man to them. Stay with him. Yes. Got this. Good. Sam, use your hand. What's the problem?
Take Jacob.
Okay, man to man. That's quick.
Neeraj,
It's okay, man to man.
Neeraj, free.
Use your hand, Sam.
Come back, Neeraj. You come back, Neeraj. Back, ready, walk. Neeraj, you are free.
Good.
Adi.
Good target. Play. Don't leave. Play down. Here. Stay harder.
Press point, Anga. See, easy.
Go, Ruth.
Take the shot.
Number 10.
Take it in hand.
Ruth, go.
Hey, you don't know which one you have to take it in hand.
Ruth, press them, Ruth. Fine, no problem.
ಕೀಪರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು
No center
ಆಡೋದೇ
pass.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವನು
Tasvik, make movements. Tasvik, make movements to receive a pass, Tasvik. Tasvik, make movements to receive a pass. Okay, man to man. Jacob, man to man, Tasvik. Use your hands, sir. Use your hands. Don't leave. Tasvik. Don't leave.
Nirav, press panna, Nirav.
Very good. Go, Ruth. Take it on. Okay, no problem.
You're not pressing, Nirav. Come back and play. Niraj.
Ishan, make some movements, Ishan, to receive a pass. What did we work last class? Make movements. Keep running. Ruth.
Come back.
Look forward. Tasvik, approach. Play to his feet.
Oh, look at your post.
Ishan, use your hands.
handball
Sam, use your hands, Sam.
Anish, one ball. Jacob, ball is goal post.
Play, press him. This is what is that? Don't give up. Play like that.
Take the ball again, Jacob.
Fish me. Tackle harder.
Anish, you come back, Anish.
Quick start, that's quick. Ruth, make a run.
Hey, Nirav.
Play, Ruth. Ishan, there's a player behind you, Ishan. Don't leave. Yes, very good, Ishan.
Hey, Nirav, out. Come out here.
Man to man. Fish me.
Ball கடிக்கும் போது பால் பாக்கணும் எங்க ஃப்ரீ அப்படின்னு பார்க்கணும்
Good, Sam, very good.
கோல் அடிக்கிறதா
Tasvik, stay with him.
ஆப்ஷன் இருந்தா பார்க்கணும் சும்மா அடிக்கலாம் யூஸ் இல்ல
Go. Don't give him time. Tasvik, very good, Tasvik. Go, Ruth. Very good. Tasvik, go.
come on
Okay, good one. Speed. Space. Organize.
their white jersey doesn't have real white I mean
small look at Jacob
Ishan, don't leave.
not like the
Jacob your ball
the proper away one
Good.
okay
Good, Sam.
come on
old school one
Don't give them time, Ishan. Don't give them time. Don't give. Go, Ishan. Sir.
take again take look at Jacob guys free Anish second pass Anish free
Tasvik, man to man. What are you doing? Very good, Tasvik. Nice. Same pressure.
no man no losing in the game no losing only learning
Play. You want No, Ishan. See Tasvik. Again.
come back
Go up, Tasvik.
Jacob அந்த பொண்ணு வீட்டு பேஸ் பண்ணி பால் you got the ball go
Very good, Ruth. Ruth, go for it. Very good, Ruth. Nice.
you on right
Man to man.
Jacob goalkeeper முன்னாடி போ go Anish
Oh, rough. You didn't see that? What?
But he pushed the
What you have to say? Tell me what?
he pushed the keeper
He pushed the keeper in front of you only, no?
no come on he pushed the
You are
keeper
right front of this, no? This moment. Oi, अच्छा बोलना पड़ी.
no tell at least tell something no tell something no he pushed
Video पास ना. Video पास.
no he pushed the keeper
Keeper push बनाता ना.
he pushed the keeper ನಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು
Keeper push பண்ணி पाते हैं. मुन्नाडी foul कुछ पनी आई ले पो.
he was
कुछ पनी आई ले.
he didn't talk no
It is right. Correct apa? Goal difference ला ले. Correct apa?
no he pushed the keeper no he pushed the keeper we saw you check please stop
Yes, sir. I am there to talk now. Why are you in this fight?
that's not good
Correct apa pudi? Chicha. Play. It's okay. Play.
hey Niraj
goal or not
It's okay. No problem. Play. It's okay. No problem.
Niraj one step back always when they're starting you have to one step back
Go. Tasvik. Play man to man, Tasvik.
Now press.
Good.
Easy.
Now play man to man. Now play man to man. Now play man to man. Tasvik, now play man to man. Ishan, don't leave. Look for Ruth.
You got the ball.
Ruth, quick start, Ruth.
Neeraj, you have to communicate with
Quick start, Ruth.
Cover here.
Play Krishvi. Krishvi, keep the ball.
Easy.
Krishvi, keep the ball.
First one is. Steady.
Go Tasvik, don't give time. Good Krishvi. Ishan, come, Ishan.
Take the ball.
Man to man.
Take now. Neeraj free.
Man to man. See that. Krishvi. Very good, Tasvik.
It's okay. Come back. Mark him. Neeraj, come your left.
Use your hands, Sam. Sam, come up and use your hands. Good.
Come back. Anish.
Go up. No problem, it's fine. No problem, play. Ruth. Very good, Sam. Good work, Sam. Nice. Stay with the man.
Take the ball, Anish. Anish, you only take the ball.
Stay with the man, Ruth. Tasvik, they shouldn't receive.
Anish.
Go. Ruth.
Take the shot.
Go up. Leave it, Sam. Come.
Come back. Anish, you come back. Look at your man.
Look for the
Ayan, look at your man.
Play the swing.
Press now.
Squeeze it.
One man press.
Swing. You never cut in, no? Okay, no problem, Sam. There. Stand aside. Play Krishvi, no problem.
Come back one step, Neeraj. Okay, come back, guys.
No problem.
Come back.
No problem.
Drink water. Take one bottle.
Drink water. Where's water?
Match over or first half? First half. You go have lunch.
இந்த சைடு ஒன்று ஸ்டார்டிங் மினிட்டே ஒன்று
Just a piece of advice for both of you. If someone from committee sees you wearing these shorts, no, they will give you prasadam from their end. So buy every shorts.
For me also, I don't know the gate. Because every time we come here, it's also
We'll start in like 10 minutes.
Tasvik, Ruth. Ishan, come here. Neil, come here.
Start here, I will start there. Okay, you do half here. Let him go for lunch. That match will still take some time now. So you start off here. You'll write, then keep this. Number 20. You're wearing everything that is not allowed. Huh? You have this. You have your spray not to wear this.
That's good.
Come on, Neeraj, come up. Hey, come up, Sayansh. Little inside. Little inside. Play inside. Why you play? Why you coming to corner? You want to sit down? Jacob.
Very good, Sam. Go, good. Don't leave. Very good, Ishan. Go, Ishan. Good, Ishan. Go, Ishan. Go, Ishan. Ruth, come on.
Move.
Go, Ishan. Use your hand, Sam. Take your time.
Okay, cover right.
Very good. Same pressure.
Jacob, mark panne. Jacob.
That's it. Go. Ruth, make a run. It's for you.
Sayansh, easy one man.
Okay, now what will you do? It's okay. Get up, Ruth. Kneel. Very good, Ishan. Don't leave, Ishan.
Opposite. Here.
Ruth.
Arala face panne.
That's it, done. That's it.
Okay, Anish, your ball. Quick start. Anish, your quick start. Sayansh.
Be ready. Man to man. Ishan.
Keep on move. No worry.
Good. That's it, go. Don't leave. That's it, go. One more time. Harder, that's it. One more time. Very good. Look for Ruth. Good ball. Yes. Come on, Ruth. You should win that one. Okay, no problem. Come on.
Anish, take the ball.
Ishan, quick start. That's big. That's big, Ishan. Neil, come up. Shield. Very good, Neil.
Come on.
One more time, Neil.
Target.
Don't leave. Neil, what did I tell you? Very good, that's big. Oi. Good. Come. Don't give time, Ruth.
Jacob, move ball.
Very good, Ishan. Don't give him time. Very good, Sam. Sam, take your hand. Use your hand, yes. Sam, come up and throw.
Neeraj, right. Kick Neeraj, right.
That's it, you got it.
Neeraj, right.
That's it, you got it.
You got the ball. Come inside. Hey.
That's it, go.
Control the ball.
That's it, done. That's it. Go, Ruth, go. Go, finish.
Come on, attack.
Ishan, man to man, yes. Man to man, yes. Ruth, see what you're doing, Ruth. Very good, Neil. Go. Apple.
Take the ball.
Go to six. Play. Hey.
Come on, back. Jacob.
Go, Neil. Don't leave. Don't leave. Sam, use your hands. Good one, Sam. Good.
Ball pass.
Go, Ruth, one more time. Ruth, Sam, use your hands.
Down.
Ruth, don't give him time. Tasik, come out. He's going to play to you only. Face the ball and run, Tasik. Come. Don't give him time. Leave. Tasik, face the ball and run.
Your shot. Little more back. Okay, cover your right. Face the ball. Go up.
Don't play that pass, Neil.
1v1.
Very good, Neil. Neil, don't play that pass. Ishan.
Jacob, கொஞ்சம் close ஆடி ஏன்னா அவ்வளவு வெளிய போற.
Anika, play defense, Anika.
Easy.
Why? I said play. Let the ball go to Sam. Then we'll do build up. Man to man.
Anish, ask the ball in right. On the left side.
Anika, man to man, Anika.
Anish free. Take the shot center.
Sam, use your hands.
Lead.
Very good, Sam. Nice. Come, Sam. Come forward. Look for the sticks.
Vicky.
That's it. Give option.
Easy.
Man to man, man to man. Anika, look at behind. Use your hands, Sam. Sam, use your hands. Come. Go Ruth. Play 1-2. Play 1-2.
Super. Well done, Nihal. Super. Okay. Jacob.
Man to man. Ruth. Press that, Ruth. Ruth, press that. Go, Ruth. Go, Ruth.
You got the ball, Neeraj.
Very good, Neil. Go, Ruth. Go. Chill. Okay, Ruth. Nice.
Pass the ball,
Man.
Neeraj.
Anika. That's quick.
No man.
One player, that's it. Ruth,
Good.
what did I ask you? Very good, Neil. Don't leave. Go, take him on you. Go, finish. Good goal. Corner. Come, Ruth.
Good try.
Corner.
Okay, Neeraj, you play defense. Anish, play up. Now mark the man first. Neeraj, hey.
That's it, surprise. Play to his feet. Surprise will take over. Go. That's big. Anika, don't leave. Very good, Anika. Ruth, harder. Use your hand, Sam.
Go back. Neeraj, Anish.
Good receive.
Go.
Play. That's big. Be ready. Very good, Ruth. That's big.
Super.
Man to man.
Play. Slow game, play.
Same pressure.
Play. Slow game, play.
Ruth, go. Press them. Go, Ruth. Go. Don't give time. Ruth.
Alinia. Ready, Amba. Let's go. Anish, take the shot.
Don't give time. Play. Anika.
Hold.
Anika. Change. Don't give time, Ruth. Go. Very good, Ruth. Go. Anika, go. Very good, Anika.
It's okay.
Anika, come on. Leo play defense. For now you stay here, after that go defense. Stay here. Come towards the left. Yes. Cut their options, Neil. That's right. That's right. From there he's running there, you can't see that.
Close. Neeraj, close. Jacob, go close.
Leo, keep it forward. More forward. Keep it more forward. That's right. Center is here. Come more forward. Don't give time.
Anna.
Don't give time. Okay, play. Man to man. That's right. Ruth, go. Very good, Ruth. Nice. Leo, play man to man. Go, Ruth. Don't give time. Ruth. You got it, Ruth. Go, press him. That's it, go. Very good, Neil. Don't leave him, Neil.
Go. Super.
Hey.
Sam, hold.
Go, Ruth, one more time. Ruth, go, one more time. Very good, Ruth.
You're playing easy, Anish.
Don't leave, that's it, don't leave it. Yes. Don't leave. One more time. Come, tackle him. Good. Sam, use your hands. Come up. Use your hands, Sam. Okay, no problem, Sam. Get up.
Anish, I don't play easy, not that much easy.
Neil, come out. Raja, play defense. Ruth. There's no state.
Hey. Okay, now cover. Press.
Go, Leo. Go, Tasvik, go Tasvik.
Line.
Good Ruth.
Jacob, va.
Raja, man to man.
Ulle poi.
Leave it Sam. Sam.
Anish.
Going outside, no, leave it. Center.
Hey. Hey.
Go, Leo. Hey, Raja. Where is the ball? Where is running?
Neerav. Stand na.
Raja.
Cover him.
Sam, from there, there's no goal. Leave it. Man to man. Oi. Go, Ruth. Okay, start, Ruth.
Neerav, why are you giving time there?
Play Tasvik, quick.
Jacob, back for.
Tasvik, make movements. Ah, you got it, Tasvik, you got it. Tasvik, you got it.
Look at Anish.
Man to man, Raja.
Anish, you got the ball.
Very good, Sam. Raja, running somewhere more. Your player is there. Where are you running? You're playing defense.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್
Goal. And goal. Play, Tasvik, play.
come back
पिनाडी va. Jacob, पिनाडी.
Start, Ruth.
attack
Play Tasvik. Play Isha, play Raja or play Leo. Leo, make runs. You got Tasvik.
Okay, va.
playing
Jacob,
it to you, you're not focusing
Neeraj, pitch
only.
back to Neeraj. Move. Look at Anish.
Very good, Tasvik. Follow. Sam. First be ready for the ball.
Goal.
Sam.
19.
First focus
Deflection
here.
goalkeeper.
Start, Ruth. Throw, Sam. Ruth is there, see. Why is the dribble there?
Goal.
Raja, come out.
Number 9.
Shreya, come. Ruth, come out. Tasvik, play. Ruth, come out. Leo, play defense. No, sir.
Take care of you. But we had food and so we knew that we have to
Go back, support Anish.
sir, of course we are supporting to help you.
Jacob.
Don't play back, Tasvik, play forward.
Go Kiran. Take the ball. Go.
Pass and play,
Go Kiran.
Tasvik.
Va, Villiers, va, Jacob. Jacob, va, Villiers.
Play, throw in, Sam.
Easy, same ball.
Play, Shreya. Da. Competition keep dribbling, da. Read the players, read the coach. And
Okay, come take your bag. Guys, take.